Okay, we got the Kyosho Inferno GT coming up next, y'all. Already put the pan, cut it out and all that. I got to trim around the front wheel a little more open. Like around like that. Let's give it a deeper, not that deep, but you know what I mean. To give it more clearance when I'm turning. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount it. Should I mount it to the bottom of the chassis? Or make cutouts to see if I can fit it in. This has a bent edge. You can see how that one is facing up. It has a bent edge there. That makes it face up. So I'm gonna have to counter bend my plate for the edge so to go flat. I want it flat. So that's gonna be maybe the hardest thing to do is to get that bend on this chassis. But we're gonna get it together. This is the other side. She gonna fit in there like that. So we'll have this Inferno GT popping soon, y'all. Stay tuned.